not good, is it?
I think we are chasing the seagulls right
Oh my
through
gosh, we
town.
are.
And now they're deciding to, they're like, I've had enough of chasing you, see you downtown.
Hello.
37118. Welcome back. Oh, it's got a bit of scratches on it, look.
Oh yeah, maybe that's why it's not been around. It's been fixed or something.
No way. 37118 and 37135.
I thought that was the bus having broken windows then. It's not, it's the bus stop, isn't it?
Yeah. Actually has parts perfectly. It has parts perfectly in line. 37135. Oh, another one. No, it's a lorry. Let's see, these the birds. Go. Oh, yes, someone else is! Oh, yes. Go over to the food, you dumb bird. To the actual food. Yes. Yes, pigeon. Oh, my. Oh, my. Just chilling with best friends. Oh, he's got fast reaction. Right. Out the road. No, don't be dumb. Yes! I think they're alerted at least. Oh. Oh. Oh, he does not want to leave. Oh, what? He is back. Oh, what? We've alerted the wrong birds. Well, one of the right birds are here. Oh, yes. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, he slipped. Oh, he's scared. Only me and one pigeon. Oh, I think that was one, yeah. Whoa there! He lives. YN04 GK 6004. That one seems to be on that route quite a bit. And the seagull just right in the beep. Oh my god! Seagull chase! Seagull chase! The seagull just chased another seagull. Whoa! Bah! Ooh. 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 Look, he just flew by to his friends. Ooh. One pigeon. He's sticking around for food. I don't think that. I'll take that as a no.
What's going on?
Not on top of there. that one?
It came back.
One 10452. This in the bin. Oh, that's how it's the party. Let's see if I can have a look on this bus. Is it okay if I come and have a look? Okay. There's a rare bus as well you're driving. You're driving a rare bus as well. With the special liveries. You're driving one of the special livery buses.
Yeah, which is pretty old. It's not that
Does it
rare.
feel different to drive?
Late Majesty died 2 years ago now, isn't it?
Yeah.
We had the one up in Holt where I was driving before.
Yeah.
The coronation of King Charles III. You would have liked that one. They
Have
came
you
from
seen that one?
they came from all over the country. Yeah, we had people from Wales, Stratford. Where else did I get them from? Yeah, they kept. I never actually got to drive that bus, but they kept stopping me going, "Is the King Charles bus coming?" I was like, "Yeah, it won't be long."
Oh,
I didn't know where it was.
awesome.
2 minutes, Tyler. All right.
I'm looking up for a minute.
Is that if I honk the horn?
He knows more about buses than we.
He knows everything.
Wow.
I love it.
I think that's what he's
I
doing.
spent 27 years in the army.
Is it right if I honk the horn?
No, you know that's not going to be.
Depends on the drive.
Went like that. What's that? These do. These are lovely. Oh, in the army, we didn't know. Yeah, no. Yeah. We had some nice.
Is it right if I press the bell?
Yeah, we'll probably cancel straight away because the doors are open.
Ooh. Ooh.
Right, Tyler, I'm going to have to go, mate.
Yeah. Can you honk the horn when you leave?
Eh?
Can
No,
you
I
honk
can't
the-
do it all. Not in the high street.
Oh. Ooh.
The seats look good in this one.
Yeah.
Oh, that was vintage.
Yeah. I don't know the roll that one, didn't I scratch it? But this is 10452. Don't forget to take your destination board. Oh, that light's off.
See him go
Cool,
round
well.
and see if he changes it. See if he changes.
One 10452 SN65 NZH.
Can I get a picture? Now
15251. That company have now taken over the 358. Very strange start line coach. Yep, this is a hotspot for buses. Countess Real Roundabout is a hotspot for buses. As I said, it's a hotspot for buses. Seriously? Ooh, that bus has a puppy on it.
So it should.
Yeah. Unfortunately, not all of them do. Here's some magpies. I can't see them. I think he's coming from over there. Over there? I don't know. I bet birds aren't going to have a nice time tonight. See what my cat thinks of the ball. Oh, he didn't like that. Time to set a firework off. Like, honestly. Meow. Oh. Why are there fireworks at this time? It's not even dark yet. Oh. Hope you just heard that. There was a loud firework, and my cat just got scared of it and ran straight up the garden. Seems to be coming from over there. Yep. All fireworks again. Fingers crossed this is actually 48003. I swear the ice cream fan's out at this time of night. Poor birds don't know what to do with them. Bruh. Oh no. Wait. What is bird doing there? There's that bus. Yes, fireworks. That's 37513 by the way. Here comes Barkers, yay! Whoa! Oh, that's epic. Don't know where to record. I honestly don't know where to record. Whoa. Whoa. I honestly don't know where to record. It was a bit of rubbish display. It's between these two here. They always have epic displays. Whoa. Typical. Always missing the good ones. That was unexpected. Okay. Always missing the good ones. Always missing them. Whoa! That is epic. Oh, rely on Jake not to call me. Zoom right here. What? Whoa! Right outside our window. Where to record? Yay. Only just. Yep, here she comes. 98. Of course she's filling in. Already. She has a, I think she has a puppy. $48003 YJ15 ADV.